troubles. It's hard to let you in, I've been giving you the runaround. I double on the dosage, I don't need emotion, no. Right now we young and we dumb and we lit. Been thinking back before when we was kids, yeah. I was caught up in the mystery, yeah. And we live for the moment, respond to a calling. It's bigger than all of us, right to the wheels. Give anything to feel something new. High if I fall, no I did it going all in. At the time of my life, right for the squad. No lights through the fog, but we made it, yeah. I'll be good by the morning. I feel like I'm falling. It feel like I'm falling. Feel like I'm falling. It feel like I'm falling. Real eyes see real eyes, real shit, real life, real rare. I'm on edge, I make noise, they all is. No cap, all facts, eyes low, but I'm still woke. No patience, heart glacier, can't see me, the young ghost. Phone blaring, overbearing, shit a blessing that I overcherish. Got these rap niggas eyes open glaring, cause they overjealous, I'm so overzealous. Whiskey sour with the rosemary, and used to want it, not a whole stare. And I was back before I could afford to care. Now we on course, I took the tour to Paris. I blew up the bag that hit me as bad. The guy from the racks that they chastised, they could fast die, telling mad lies. Going bad, tell them get they act right. On my last life, I poured a potion, I've been out of orbit. I've been moving slowly, got me going up, they got my head clouded. I've been good by the morning. At the time of my life, right for the squad. No lights through the fog, but we made it, yeah. I'll be good by the morning. I feel like I'm falling. It feel like I'm falling. It feel like I'm falling. It feel like I'm falling. Feel like I'm falling. It feel like I'm falling. Yeah, one more time around. Everything's slowing down, can't control it. Say that you're for me. Right now I need loyalty. It's hard for me to trust you. I've been here before this, I've been through the troubles. It's hard to let you in, I've been giving you the runaround. I double on the dosage, I don't need emotion, no. Right now we young and we dumb and we lit. Thinking back before when we was kids, yeah. I was caught up in the mystery, yeah. And we live for the moment, respond to a calling. It's bigger than all of us, right to the wheels. Give anything to feel something new. High if I fall, no I did it going all in. At the time of my life, right for the squad. No lights through the fog, but we made it, yeah. I'll be good by the morning. Feel like I'm falling. It feel like I'm falling. It feel like I'm falling. It feel like I'm falling.
What up, you guys? Let me know if you can hear me. I tried to, I was speaking a little earlier, but I think I forgot to turn off the audio. But I'm downtown Milwaukee, you guys, at Red Arrow Park. If you guys haven't heard, we have the big issue in the courts where they're trying to take away women's rights to have an abortion. And this is a rally and march for women's rights. So if you guys are in the area, you're in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, come on down to Red Arrow Park. We're going to be starting up shortly. We haven't started up just yet, though. What's up, Rodney? How you doing? Thanks for liking the stream. You guys, don't forget to share this out. And let me know, you guys, give me a quick mic check if you guys can hear me. Okay, how's the audio? How's the picture? Let me know right now before this thing gets started, and I don't want to have any issues. So if somebody can help me out, let me know if the audio's and the quality of the picture is working on your end. What's up, Jen Windwalker? How you doing? We are multi-streaming today, you guys, on multiple platforms. Thanks, Ogie, for letting me know that the sound is good. Appreciate you. And you guys, share this out. Share this out to your groups. Share it to your profiles. This is important. You know, they're trying to take women's rights. They're trying to tell you that you cannot have an abortion for whatever reason, personal reasons you may have. They are trying to shut you guys down. So women, this is an important thing. For women to go get out here and get their voice out here and let them know, look, it's not your decision, it's my body, it's my choice. And we got a big turnout today, and a lot of these women, you know, they came to support the fact that it is their body, their choice, and they should have that choice to do what they want. So there are going to be some speakers. So sit tight, you guys. It's going to be starting up real soon, and there's going to be a march here downtown Milwaukee. So if you guys can make it down here, come on to Red Arrow Park. Come on down. Raw topic, you guys. Let me know what platform you guys are watching from. Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, let me know. Christine said a decision has not been made. Be angry. Someone leaked a brief illegal criminal investigation. Wow. Okay, have the conversation, you guys. I like that. Have the discussion on this. This is if they can do this, then there's no telling what's next, you guys. Just know that. If they can tell you what to do with your own body, then what are they going to tell us next? So this is a beginning of a lot. What's up, Keisha? Thanks for following. Wild topic. What's up, Jan? No problem. You know, I haven't been streaming in a while. I've been kind of doing some new things, learning some new things. So I kind of took a break, but I missed it, so I'm out here today. Let me know where you guys are watching from. What city, what state, what platform you on. Are you on Facebook? You on YouTube? You on LinkedIn? You on Twitter? Let me know where you at. Christine said, in all actuality, federally relinquishing states where it should be. I'm sorry, you guys, if I have a hard time reading because it's kind of hard to see. I got the sun glaring down on me here. As a psychopathic logic of demons commands since all the rights. Oh, that was a lot. Denise said they will rally for this, but not freedom. Interesting. I like the fact that you guys are having the conversation.
Please have your attention directed to.
Okay, they're starting up, you guys.
Thank you everyone for coming. You know, I would say that I'm not exactly the most excited to see everybody here for what we're standing here for, but at the same time, I really appreciate seeing how many people are coming out because this is a really serious issue. I'm going to pass the mic on to Sam. Give a big round of applause for everybody amazing. You've all been wonderful today, even showing up and you don't even know it. Thank you. So thank you everyone, girls, men, femmes, they, them, for showing out to this, the first of many actions to defend Roe v. Wade. Now more than ever, solidarity is crucial to prevent the Supreme Court from abolishing Roe and to beat back patriarchy. My name is Samantha, but you can call me Sam. I'm a member of the PSL, the Party for Socialism and Liberation, and I'll be emceeing alongside McKenna today. We'll lay out today's plan, but first I want to talk a little truth.
Let's go.
On Tuesday night, a draft opinion leaked from the right-wing Supreme Court. A panel with 6 men on it, all unelected, all with lifelong terms. They declared proudly and made their intention clear. They want to abolish Roe v. Wade and turn back the clock on reproductive and abortion rights. They do not care about our lives. They care about controlling people's bodies.
They don't trust women.
They don't. No. Their statement about states' rights is a complete lie. These wealthy men and the treacherous Amy Coney Barrett want people in jail for daring to try and control them. We won't go back. We will fight back. They want more people in jail, more people working at or below minimum wage, more people suffering to make them and people like them richer. For women, for trans people, for queer people, for non-binary people, for poor people. There is no dignity in this life. There is no control of our lives and bodies. We are being prevented from determining the course of our lives, our futures. They want to make sure we have no control. That is what capitalism wants, and that is what socialism is fighting. This is what states' rights means for abortion access in Wisconsin. A complete ban. Wisconsin would revert to its archaic 1849 law banning abortion outright, overnight, should Roe v. Wade be overturned, as is the case with 26 other states. This is a clear, all-out attack on our rights. We can't forget Texas's litany of anti-trans legislation and its malevolent SBA bill, as well as Florida's Don't Say Gay bill. The intent and scope of all of these bills and this leak is an all-out war on human rights. They are challenging any right to privacy and any person that doesn't accord with their white supremacist, racist, sexist, homophobic, and transphobic ideas. I'll say it again. The Supreme Court is an institution of 9 unelected and mostly white men that was created to uphold the oligarchic power of slaveholders. It made segregation the law of the land. It is stripping voting rights from Black Americans.
Say that.
And it has been allowed to decide the fate of abortion rights in the United States. We can't be shocked that the right-wing Supreme Court want to eliminate Roe. We can't be shocked that Democrats refuse to pass bills on reproductive rights, rights to bodily autonomy, full free health care, free child care, and LGBTQ rights. These institutions built on subjugating Black women's bodies in slavery is once again oppressing and subjugating working class people.
That's right.
The Democratic Party has failed to ensure reproductive justice. They have failed to secure a living wage. full free healthcare and guaranteed the right to abortion, to choice, because these reforms would challenge the ruling class, challenge capitalism, challenge the state, to end patriarchy. They would end patriarchy. It would go beyond Roe and ensure dignity and humanity in life outside of the influence of politicians. The Democratic Party cannot and will not allow this. So they will continue to use abortion to score political points and votes. Use it as a bargaining chip. Use our rights, our truth, our freedom as a bargaining chip. All while they let it wither away. They even now are still telling us to vote when they control the House, the Senate, and the presidency. We, the people, will go beyond this.
Yes.
We will go beyond Roe to ensure dignity, abortion rights, reproductive rights, full gender liberation, and humanity for all. Voting is not working. The real struggle is here in the streets.
That's right.
Whose streets?
Our streets.
Whose bodies?
Our bodies.
Whose rights?
Our rights.
Politicians and Supreme Court justices do not care about our rights, nor do they represent us, the movement, or advance anything but the interests of capital and the ruling class. This is our time! Time for the rising force of working Black, Indigenous, and gender non-conforming people to be found! It's time for the movement to return! It's time to end patriarchy! We won't go back! We will fight back! We won't go back!
We will fight back.
We won't go back!
We will fight back.
We won't go back!
We will fight back.
Thank you everyone so much! McKenna is next on the mic! Let's go! All right. Okay, I'm going to be completely and 100% honest. I have part of this written, and then the rest I'm going to do ad-libs, so bear with me.
Let's go.
All right, I want to circle back to something that Sam had mentioned in her speech, and that is that I want to talk about what's important to know and understand what will happen to pregnant people in Wisconsin seeking an abortion if Roe versus Wade is overturned. Because of an anti-abortion law that was written in 1849, any person found providing abortions will be tried as a felony with penalties of up to 6 years in prison and fines up to $10,000. The president of Planned Parenthood Wisconsin has stated that if this criminal ban comes into effect, Planned Parenthood will follow the law and not continue to provide abortion services. Simply put, there are no protections in place that could be considered a fail-safe, for lack of a better term. There is just the 1849 abortion ban and the protections won under Roe v. Wade, which, lest we not forget that was won in 1979, over 100 years after the abortion ban was originally placed. If Roe v. Wade is overturned, there will not be abortions available for the fear of prosecution by the state. Many pregnant people in Wisconsin will either have to seek abortions in another state that has these fail-safe protections put in place, or be forced to carry their pregnancy to term. The other and most important point that I cannot say enough is that removing access to safe abortions does not stop abortions from happening. Abortions will continue to happen and they will be deadly. I want to share with you all today one of the reasons why I am so passionate about this. And that is because 3 years ago, I chose to have an abortion. And I learned firsthand not only how difficult of a decision that is to make, but more importantly, how difficult it is to get access to one in the first place. Because if you think that Roe v. Wade is giving us everything we need, you're wrong. Roe v. Wade is the floor, and we need to break through the ceiling. In Wisconsin, specifically, although this does also go across the entire nation, there are a multitude of restrictions, both on the physical buildings that provide the abortion clinic itself, as well as the doctors that are providing the abortions, as well as restrictions on the patients themselves. And I learned this without knowing anything, because our government depends on us being ignorant, because it keeps us oppressed. And what I learned is that when I walked into my what I thought was going to be my actual abortion, I found out that I was forced to have to take not only an ultrasound, but that I was also forced to have to wait 24 hours before I could even start my abortion process. The reason for this is because in 2016, Scott Walker decided to pass the women's, Women's Right to Know, there we go. He passed what was called the Women's Right to Know Act, which did 3 very important things. The first was mandatory ultrasounds. The second was the 24-hour waiting period. And the third was that it removed any private insurance from being able to cover abortions. Mind you, abortions have not been covered by the state since the 90s because they removed that ability a long time ago. So when I went into my appointment, my technician who took my ultrasound told me that by law, she is required to turn the monitor towards me, to show me and have me hear the heartbeat. And they had to describe to me exactly what was going on with the embryo. Now, what she said to me specifically, and I'm very grateful for the people who work at Planned Parenthood, is that she said, "You do not have to look at this, but I have to show it to you." The second thing was after having my ultrasound and I walked into my doctor's office. So my doctor told me that I did not know that I was going to have to wait 24 hours after leaving my appointment before I could come back and be given the abortion pill that I needed. And while she told me that, again, bless her, she also told me that I was required by law to be given a 30-page pamphlet, and that ideally I'm told I'm supposed to go home and review it, make sure this was the right decision for me. Because in this pamphlet, they show you the entire gestational period from the moment that you're pregnant to the moment that that baby is born. They explain to you in detail every single thing. They show you photographs of every single stage of every week that you are in your pregnancy. And then they follow it up by stating all of the reasons and ways in which an abortion can go wrong, which I would like to point out that Planned Parenthood has stated time and time again that abortions are 99% effective and safe. And life-saving, that's right. And it continues on in this pamphlet to then only give you the rest of the options that you have, which is adoption. Right? So I was told that I had to take this home and I had to sit home and I had to review it. And then I could come back 24 hours later to be given my pill. Mind you, it still takes you about another 12 to 24 hours before you actually have your abortion. I did not know this, so I did not have the time off of work. Okay? Now, what I would like to say is that I am a very privileged person, and I am very grateful for the people that I worked with at that time, because they made sure that I was able to have time off. Because the other point that I would like to make is that in that appointment, I found out I was 9 weeks and 4 days pregnant. And if you don't know this, because most of you probably don't, is that there are 2 different types of abortions. There's a pill abortion and there's a surgical abortion. And when you have the pill abortion, you cannot have it after 10 weeks. 10 weeks is your cutoff time. Because I said to my doctor, I don't have the time off. Can I come back next week? And she goes, we don't have next week. You need to do this now, or you're going to owe hundreds of more dollars in order for you to have this abortion. So we need to do it now. And I was lucky to be able to take the time off, to be able to do this. But this is the next thing that I want to paint in your brain. There are 4 abortion clinics across the entire state of Wisconsin. And they are all in southeast Wisconsin. There is the Planned Parenthood Milwaukee, there is the Affiliated Medical in Milwaukee, there's Planned Parenthood in Madison, and there's the Sheboygan Planned Parenthood, which only provides abortions up to 10 weeks. 4, in the entire state of Wisconsin.
That ain't right.
Because imagine this, you live in upper Wisconsin and you live 6 hours away from Milwaukee. And you find out that you're pregnant and you do not want to be, and you need to seek an abortion. So now, not only are you trying to make sure that you can secure the time off of work, which we all know how difficult that can be. Imagine you working more than one job. Imagine you needing that income, but you can't afford to take the time off. And then on top of that, you got to travel upwards of 6 or 7 hours to find a hotel in Milwaukee, to be able to pay for that hotel, on top of paying for God knows how much money you're going to end up spending on your actual abortion. So we have lodging, we have travel, we have the abortion itself, and we have the money being taken away from you from the time off. All of those restrictions were put in place. The 24-hour abortion ban, the ultrasound, and the removal of our ability to have private insurance pay for this. All of those things were removed from us with the intention of helping us make the right decision. And I'm here to tell you, because I can guarantee you there is a large crowd of people in here, and I can guarantee you a multitude of people in here have had abortions. That any one person who has made the decision to have an abortion has played through the mental gymnastics of the weight of not only themselves, but the guilt put onto them by society and the government. They've already played these games with themselves, and they know the decision that they're making. This is not one we make lightly. I want to leave everyone with this. The point of healthcare is not to question the morality of the person's decision to do what they would like with their body. The point of healthcare is to provide safe and effective medical procedures to those who are seeking it. All right, I'm going to bring up my next comrade here, who is going to give us some directions on our march, because it sounds like that's the direction we're heading. Yeah. Okay. Hayden, thank you. Hi everyone, my name's Hayden. I'll be directing everyone that's going to be driving. If you are driving, I ask that you get in your car and start lining up on State Street right here. We are going to get everything ready. Please do not line up in the street if you are marching quite yet. We're going to block off the street first, and then we'll get everybody in and start marching from there. So hold tight a little bit. If you are driving, make sure you have your blinkers on, and make sure you are as close to the person in front of you as possible, unless I direct you otherwise. Thank you. Woo! Thank you, Hayden. Woo! Let's go. Let's get ready to march. We're going to head to Planned Parenthood. Thank you so much. First, and then we'll have a couple speakers at the Planned Parenthood, and we'll end up back here. Cars will line up over there, as was mentioned. Let's get some chants going just before we start. We won't go back. We will fight back. We won't go back.
We will fight back.
We won't go back.
We will fight back.
This is a new one, or maybe some of you have heard it. Pro-life is a lie. You don't care if people die.
Pro-life is a lie. You don't care if people die.
Pro-life is a lie. You don't care if people die.
Pro-life is a lie. You don't care if people die.
Our bodies.
Our choice.
Our bodies.
Our choice.
Woo! Thank you so much. Let's get ready to go. Thank you so much for coming out and listening to all the speeches. There'll be more. Thank you. Our bodies.
Our choice.
Our bodies.
Our choice.
Woo!
All right, you guys, so we are preparing. Let me flip the screen around here. Okay. You guys, we are preparing to march down to the Planned Parenthood. So everybody is getting ready for that. The cars are getting in place and everybody's getting ready. So this is going to be very interesting, you guys. Marching downtown Milwaukee, marching over to the Planned Parenthood. What's up, Roger? Thanks for everybody who's liking and sharing out the stream. Appreciate that. If you guys are on Facebook, you can use the command !notify, and that way you will be notified the next time I do go live. If you guys don't know where I am on Facebook and you're watching from a different platform, just go to facebook.com/raw topic.
Hello, did you guys?
And feel free, you guys, to keep the conversation going. I am kind of staying quiet when people are talking, but I am looking at the comments, and it is pretty interesting. Just keep it respectful, you guys. Just be respectful to each other and have adult conversation. I know that this is a very touchy subject for everybody, but feel free to voice your opinion, and everybody just have to respect each other's opinion. Don't forget, you guys, share this stream out. We are setting up for the march, and also, you guys, let me know where you are from, where you watching from, what state, what city, what platform are you watching from today. Today is the first time I'm streaming to TikTok, so this is kind of new for me. I don't really have a lot of experience with TikTok, so this is very experimental for me right now. So if you're watching from TikTok, we probably can't see your comments because, TikTok works a little differently than other platforms. So if you do want your comments to be seen on the live stream, I recommend you go over to Facebook or YouTube or somewhere kind of where you got a little bit more freedom.
I was in my fucking docks. I don't know how long ours was. It was in Madison. I don't even know how I could.
Solidarity. What's up, Matthew Scott? For you guys who just joined in the stream, we are at Red Arrow Park, downtown Milwaukee. So we have not marched just yet, but we are preparing to march. So if you guys are not far from Red Arrow Park, come on down and march with us. If you believe in the cause that a woman's right is her choice, her body, her choice. It's a pretty good turnout, you guys. I'm thinking about 300 people. Let me see if I can pan over, show you guys a crowd here. What's up, Molly's? Molly's on Twitch. Thanks for joining the stream. If I butcher your guys' usernames and all that, I'm sorry. I'm terrible with names. So if you guys came on this stream to learn how to pronounce names, you will be disappointed today. I'm doing pretty good. Hey, what you got there? Oh, wow. Okay. Keep your, okay. All right. Woman's rights. Nice signs, you guys.
So no, you're good.
Nice, thank you.
Just trying to get rid of the sign. Can you bring the sign here? Who are you filming for?
Raw Topic. You can check us out on Facebook, YouTube. Oh. Wow, who made that? You made that?
I did.
Okay, nice. Glad you came to support. That's nice to see kids out here.
Yeah, there's a bunch.
Yeah, it's a good turnout. We got people up on a second balcony area as well, if you can see that. Let me see if I can zoom in. Thanks for following Mathers. This is a pretty nice area down here, you guys. It's got the Starbucks right here downtown here. Right here, Red Arrow Park. This is an ice rink in the winter. They make this into an ice rink. Try to show you guys real quick. So in the winter time, this is an ice rink. So this is a nice area down here. But this is a really huge turnout today. Really surprised that on a weekday, this many people came out. Yeah, if you haven't been to Milwaukee, come check it out. Milwaukee is I would say a nice little tourist destination. A lot to do, especially if you like to drink beer, that's for sure. A lot of clubs, good food, good scenery, a lot of places you can tour. So yeah, check it out, you guys, if you are ever in the area. What's up, Kayla? Thanks for liking the stream. Let me know, what platform are you watching from? If anybody's watching from TikTok, let me know. I am trying to get more familiar with TikTok. So this is my first time streaming a TikTok. So I'm actually streaming to quite a few places today. Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok. So for you guys that are just joining the stream, the cars are getting in place for the march. I don't know if you guys if you guys have ever been in a march before, but it's important that cars get in the right place because the cars have to protect the marchers. So what the cars are doing right now is they're getting organized. I'm sure they're giving each other direction of where to be. And the marchers really want to march behind the vehicles because, you know, there are some crazy people that they see marchers and they want to run you over. So that's what we're waiting for right now, is for all the cars to kind of get situated. And then we're gonna hit that march downtown Milwaukee, you guys. It's always interesting marching in Milwaukee. Not only is the scenery amazing, but just interesting things always seem to happen. Whether it be just the people or something. There's always usually something. And I love to exercise. I've been on a lot of marches, especially last summer. And I tell you what, man, some of those marches can go pretty long. So you got to be prepared. What's up, Simmons from Executive Protection Agency? What do you guys do? You do security or something? That's a very interesting name. Thanks for joining the stream. So you guys, if you've been following Raw Topic for a while, I don't know if you have or not, but you might have noticed I've been on a little break. I haven't streamed in about a month or so. You know, just taking a little mental health break, taking time for myself. I've been doing a lot of reels and TikTok videos, short form content. Just trying to learn, you know, the short form content because that is popular right now. So yeah, I'm just taking time to learn new things, and I was kind of taking a break from live streaming, but I didn't want to miss this event. This is very important, so came out to do this. What are you guys' thoughts about this situation? Let's try to keep the conversation going, you guys. What are your thoughts on abortion and the rights of, you know, do you feel like it's the right of the woman to make the choice, and should there be access to abortions? Let's have that conversation, and I want everybody's opinion. What's up, Make a Princess? Thanks for, what are you doing, following or sharing? I don't know, but thanks for joining. It is a beautiful day out here too, you guys. I have not forgot to even mention that, but this is actually a beautiful day for a march and a rally. I'm thinking it's about 60 degrees at least. So it hasn't been this nice in a while, but this pretty much landed on a great day. It's beautiful.
I'm back.
She's back.
I'm back.
Here, say something to the people. Say something to the people.
How about you find the clip and then we'll talk?
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else want to talk? Anybody else want to talk?
Say anything.
I mean, she said it all. I don't have nothing to. She said it all.
Yeah.
Okay. So we got some very. Want to talk? Want to say something?
Yeah.
What are you doing down here? Let us know.
What am I doing down here?
What's
I'm
your
fighting
name?
for. My name is Lizzie.
Okay. And what brings you down here?
Fighting for the rights to my own body. Yeah. Keep
True
your
that.
policies off my fucking body.
True that, true that. Thank
Rosary's
you.
off my ovaries, bitch.
Yes, yes. So as you guys can see, we have people that are very passionate about the cause. And that is important. This is a very important thing, you know, taking away rights from women. You know, this is very serious. So you never know what they're gonna try to do next. So a lot of people really came out to support this situation. They got helicopters. Let me see if I can.
I do not know where that
I have like a hot second, but we're about to line up our march. So yeah, so if you've got a question.
Yeah, I can't find it, but they got helicopters, so looks like they're monitoring this situation because it is pretty big turnout. But I think we are going to get ready to march.
we're lining up our
Whoa, feedback.
Hi everyone, we're lining up on State Street. Please get into an orderly fashion, get into a line. We're gonna take to the streets. Let's go. Thank you. Whose streets? Whose streets?
We're going to be lining up on Main Street, so actually we're going to be better as people go this way.
Please make sure you're lined up on streets. Go around
Okay, you guys, we are taking to the streets.
It's too late, Lex.
Alright, everybody, go that way. Yeah, we'll be about a block from anyway. If not more. Yeah, get behind the car. You'll want to go this way, and then line up facing west on the street.
Thank you, everyone.
Can we get more people going this way? Thank you. You're going to have to pull back. Thank you,
Thank you, everyone. Make as much noise as possible. We already got the cars honking. Whose bodies? Who's right?
Sarah!
Who's street? Who's city?
If we would have elected Hillary and not been so scared of women, this never would have fucking happened.
Yes, Simmons, let's get the love. Show some love in the stream. Likes, love, shares. Let's get it going, you guys. This is an important day here in Milwaukee. Women's rights. And now we're about to march.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, hey! Yeah, I was gonna say, did you come here by yourself too? Because it just caused me to happen. I have a friend here, but I did not show up with a
Oh,
That's right. That's right.
chant.
That's right.
That's exactly the right chant.
Salmon.
Going for the big guy.
Sure, man. How you doing, brother? All right.
Abortion is a human right. That's a human right.
We got more people joining the march. People off the street are just joining. I'm trying to keep up, you guys. This big rig I got makes it hard.
Yeah, the only outlets are
For like 3 seconds.
We're gonna save up money and then just buy a big plot of land and create our own country. And the fucking cis people and the bigots can't do it. Exactly. And if they don't keep us, we'll keep them. And then we'll just have our peaceful husband.
What does BLM got to do with the abortion march? Stay on topic, you guys. No need for nonsense.
Anyway, she had rheumatoid arthritis, so she was in a wheelchair. She was pretty crippled, but she had a legal Irish but she was still lovely. When I charmed Aunt Patty, she would keep my license. That was Bill's
telling me about how you were with us a long period of time. Down at the park, you were with us here now.
It's a great day for March.
That's right. Yeah. Good March.
Yeah. Thanks, Max. I'm just getting the news for the people. Who's shooting? It's just an abortion march, you guys. No need for gunshots.
Pro-life is a lie. You don't care if people die. You don't care if people die. You don't care if people die. Pro-life is a lie. You don't care if people die.
Trying to get the staker.
Pro-life is a lie. You don't care if people die. Pro-life is a lie. You don't care if people die. Pro-life is a lie. You don't care if people die. My choice! choice! My 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 choice! people die. Pro-life is a lie. They don't care if people die. It's a lie. They don't care if people die.
Pro-life is a lie.
They don't care if people die.
Pro-life is a lie.
They don't care if people die.
Pro-life is a lie.
They don't care if people die. They don't care if people die. They don't care if people die. Pro-life is a lie. They don't care if people die. Pro-life is a lie. They don't care if people die. Pro-life is a lie. They don't care if people die. Pro-life is a lie. They don't care if people die. My
pretty good stereotype.
Is that a stereotype? Short people with short dogs.
I would like a corgi. I think a corgi would fit our family.
It wouldn't. It'd be too on the nose.
As I was telling you about the house, my
We're going to have just a few speakers, just a few minutes here, and then we're going to end up and go all the way back to where we started. One more time, I just want to introduce that we are the Party for Socialism and Liberation. My name is McKenna. I'm going to have another one of my comrades come up here and speak in just a minute. But before we do that, I would like to start us off with a chant. We won't go back! We will fight back!
We won't go back! We will fight back!
Again!
We will fight back! We won't go back! We will fight back!
Because whose bodies?
Our bodies!
Whose bodies?
Our bodies!
Whose choice?
Our choice!
Whose choice?
Our choice!
And if we don't get it,
Shut it down!
if we don't get it,
Shut it down!
if we don't get it,
Shut it down!
Thank you so much, everybody. I'm going to invite my comrade Mariah up here. All right, hello everybody. My name is Mariah. I am a registered nurse in Milwaukee that works with pregnant people every day. I want to emphasize that abortions will not end with an overturn of Roe v. Wade. The only things that will end are safe abortions.
Right, say it.
The only thing that will end are safe abortions. Pro-life does not exist here. Capitalism is a system that is purposefully anti-life, prioritizing profits over people, with our millionth COVID death soon approaching to show for it. We are in a country with one of the highest maternal mortality rates, and a city where Black pregnant people and babies are 3 times more likely to die than their white counterparts. We are in a city where access to clean water without lead is not a guarantee. We are in a city where one landlord can serve hundreds of eviction notices weekly in the midst of a pandemic. Forced pregnancy and birth with a largely inaccessible healthcare system, no paid maternity leave, no universal subsidized childcare, and no comprehensive sex education is going to result in unsafe and potentially fatal means to end said pregnancy. I am a witness to these barriers every day, and poor working class people are going to face the brunt of this attack. The U.S. Supreme Court will have blood on its hands. 9 unelected judges with lifetime terms should not be able to strip the rights of tens of millions of people and criminalize them for making decisions about their own bodies. Now is the time to fight back. Only a mass movement of the people mobilizing and organizing will defend our rights.
Say that!
Full reproductive justice includes universal health care, access to abortion, birth control, and family planning services. It includes safe, identity-affirming care for every person who can get pregnant. Especially those who are most affected by racial, ethnic, and gender-based discrimination. Reproductive justice is going to insist upon addressing the housing crisis and lead poisoning. Capitalist politics will never offer full reproductive justice. And they are determined to see us struggle to survive while they dangle on rights as bargaining chips in their elections. We must struggle for socialism. We deserve better, and a better world is possible if we fight for it. I wanted to leave you guys with a chant. Pro-life is a lie. You don't care if people die.
Pro-life is a lie. You don't care if people die. You don't care if people die. You don't care if people die. It's a lie. You don't care if people die.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you everybody. Can I have your attention one more time? We have another speaker here for us today. So I'm going to ask to come to the microphone our friend Piper from the Milwaukee International Women's Day Coalition. Is that correct? Okay.
All right, hello, thank you all for being here today. My name is Piper Hogan. I am a transgender woman. I am a rank and file trade unionist in the healthcare industry, and I am a representative of the Milwaukee International Women's Day Coalition. All of us are here today because we know the right to determine if and when one becomes pregnant and whether or not to carry that pregnancy to term is an issue of basic and fundamental bodily autonomy. Yeah, these rights are once again under attack. The courts have been voted with ideologues aligned with the same political program represented by people like Donald Trump. These people are the literal scum of the earth, seeking these people are seeking to control the rights of women and everyone who is capable of giving birth, and especially those who are poor or oppressed nationalities, primarily Black, Chicano, and indigenous people. But the attacks on reproductive rights, despicable as they are not the end of things. We would be foolish to believe that Justice Alito's claim that the court's ruling on Roe should not be used to impact anything other than abortion. The current move by the court comes within the context of a wave of right-wing legislation across the country.
Fuck that!
Yeah, including legislation targeting not only women but also LGBTQ people. From bans on LGBTQ people in sports, trans athletes, and criminalizing medical treatments for trans people, and banning discussions of gender and sexuality in schools. But we have a message for them. We won't go back!
We will fight back!
We won't go back!
We will fight back!
We won't go back!
We will fight back!
I want to emphasize that it's actions like this that won people the right to safe and legal abortions in the first place. Yes. Yeah, no matter what we're fighting for, whether it's abortion, workers' rights, civil rights, and so on and so forth, people organizing, demanding, and fighting for a better world has been the only thing that has ever led to progress and change.
Yes!
The masses of working and oppressed people are the driving force in the making of history, not a small body of unelected judges who serve for life, not the so-called representatives who appoint them and pander to us for votes before turning their backs on us once in office. And certainly not the filthy rich and their mega corporations who pick these politicians. It's not them, but us. If you leave today with nothing else, remember that. It is us who are going to make this change. All right. Well, the Milwaukee International Women's Day Coalition is grateful for the opportunity to co-host this event And we encourage you all to come back right here at Planned Parenthood again on Saturday at 4 p.m. Right. Only way we're going to win this fight is if we keep showing up. You have to keep up the pressure. And you can find us on Facebook and Instagram at MKE_IWD. I'll leave you with one more chance. All power to the people! 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 Love you all. Thank you.
You killed it. Good job. All power to the people! All power to the people! All power to the people! All power to the people!
We got one more speaker for y'all today, and then we're going to make our way back home. I'm going to introduce, this is a humble brag, this is one of my best friends in the world, and I love her very much. But this is Erica.
Thank you, McKenna. Thank you all again for coming out today. Again, I mean, it's hard to follow up, these last couple of speeches, but I just have a few more thoughts to add. I mean, again, we're all well aware of the really grim reality of these recent attacks on the people that brought us out here today. And again, I am sorry that we are meeting under these circumstances. I know, for me, the despair and the rage has been palpable these last couple of days. But when I look around and I see all of you, and I hear the words and the chants and us taking power in the streets, that despair feels so much lighter, and I hope that you feel the same way. Because this is an immense display of people power, and this is just a glimpse of what society could really look like if we banded together and overcame this sexist, racist, capitalist system that is It's really easy to feel powerless when our rights are constantly under attack and when we're forced in these horrible conditions that make it really impossible for people to live. Right now, the Democratic Party is already holding power in the White House and the Senate and the House, and they have the nerve to tell us to go vote while refusing to take any
Two birds with the same feather.
But it's completely shameful. It's completely shameful, and you all know it. It's ridiculous to be told to lie down and vote when we are in the face of violence. And obviously, this isn't going to keep working on us. That response right there tells me that we're all waking up to this. We're sick of it.
Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
We don't need to pledge our allegiance to either of the capitalist parties to beg for our basic human rights. We cannot keep allowing them to use abortion rights, LGBTQ rights, immigrants' rights, or Black lives as bargaining chips for their fundraisers and campaigns.
We're not fun!
They want us to think that we need them, and the truth is we don't. We, the people, the working class, are the ones who make the world run. We produce all the value in society. We care for one another despite struggling individually. When sex ed and reproductive education is abysmal, we educate each other. Through grassroots abortion funds, we help each other access the care that we need. People have been supporting each other through self-managed abortions for decades. And when landlords and bosses abuse and take advantage of us, we band together and we flex our power to fight back. So really, the people have all the power to fight back in the streets and to win these immediate rights. And ultimately, we have the power to completely reorganize society so we don't have to keep doing this every fucking couple of months. We don't need the Democrats. We certainly don't need the Republicans. We do not need capitalism. And we don't need their institutions of control like the Supreme Court and the police. We need a whole new society where the interests of the masses are protected, not the interests of a few wealthy elites. where human rights are guaranteed and not treated as bargaining chips. And that system is socialism. There is a better world if we fight for it. And so we can just end it on a chant again. The people united will never be defeated.
The people united will never be defeated. The people united will never be defeated. The people united will never be defeated.
Okay, one more.
Okay, I got one more, ready? Alright, this might be new for some of you. I believe that we will win. Okay, so you're gonna repeat after me.
I believe that we will win. I believe that we will win.
One more time.
I believe that we will win.
Because if we don't get it,
Shut it down.
if we don't get it,
Shut it down.
if we don't get it,
Shut it down.
I said if we don't get it,
Shut it down.
because whose streets?
Our streets.
Whose streets?
Our
And
streets.
whose city?
Our city.
Whose city?
Our city.
And whose bodies?
Our bodies.
Whose bodies?
Our bodies.
Whose choice?
Our choice.
Whose choice?
Our choice.
Make some noise, everybody.
All power to the people. All power to the people. All power to the people. All power to the people.
Okay, real quick, we just have a few announcements. The first thing being, I just want to remind everybody that there will be another rally here at this exact, in March, at this exact location, right outside Planned Parenthood on Wisconsin, on Saturday at 4 p.m. Please come back out and come show up. Let's make some more noise. Let's piss a lot of people off. Okay, one last thing. So we are about to get ready. We're going to start to march our way back. We ask that if you would like to, we're going to go back to where we started, back at Red Arrow Park / Dondra Hamilton Park. And we're going to go there and we're going to offer the microphone for anybody who wishes to speak. If you have any feelings about what's been going on today, if you want to let it off your chest, this is the place to be able to do it, okay? Okay, so I'm going to have everybody just chill for just a few minutes. We're going to get coordinated with our car marshals and the rest of our marshals. We're going to get lined back up, so I'm going to have the banner.
Heading west.
Heading west. Thank you, everybody. Lead cars. I need everyone who is a lead car to get back to their cars.
In the Bobby's car? Yes, which I think is over there.
Over where?
He's got the really big sign.
Have a great day. So I'm gonna do this.
All right, you guys, that is it for me. I am taking an Uber back to my car and getting out of here. Till the next time, you guys, keep following Raw Topic. And remember, you guys, remember, if you can't come real, at least come raw. Raw Topic, you guys. Peace out.
Perfect.